This is about 3:54 p.m. on June 22nd, 2012, and this is in San Marcos. This is, I'm not even sure of the address here, actually. 621. Oh, the poor cat's scared to death. Yeah, it's okay, kitty. Come here, sweetie. Poor cat. So, right over my house over here, that's not the front door. And when I was, so this is where it is. There's nothing going on. There's no cops in the street. There's no bullhorn of notice. It's just not only harassment but surveillance, and they have on board dischargeable directed energy weapons. Energy weapons are things that can impact your body with the ammunition of energy, and they're called non-lethal, but over and over and over again they're greatly damaging to your health. So it's death by 1,000 cuts.